So what's happening at the demo center at AM.CO.za? Both the cabinet and the desktop CO2 laser machines are a big hit at the demo center. Today we are playing around with simple craft wood to test the speed and quality of the machine's cutting abilities. So sit back and enjoy. These machines are able to cut and engrave on a huge variety of substrates, and many clients bring their own materials to test. And you are invited to do the same. Just WhatsApp sales to book an appointment.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.